What's up, guys? Today we're gonna cook some eggs by myself.
Time to cook.
We're gonna get the pan out.
That's a good start.
Alright, guys, we got the pan. And we got the eggs. I forgot the butter. Got the butter. We're gonna use this stress. We're gonna turn on the stove.
And
then add
turn up
the
on the
butter.
job site, wouldn't it? Talking about a survey that asked people who are in the trades mostly, blue-collar workers,
Now we're just gonna wait for that.
job sites, construction, plumbing, electrician, all that kind of thing. What's the type of music that you listen to on the job site while you're working, whether to pass the time, as 40% said they get to do that during their workday, or 25% who say they use it to stay calm or focused. 22% rely on music on the job site to keep their energy level up, too. So, what is your favorite song or band to
The
play
butter
on the
is
job
supposed to
site
help,
when it
like,
comes up on show?
not make the stuff stick to the pan.
It's a gift. Should actually be a law in this place. Okay, 42% of job site workers lean towards classic rock. 40% say their second choice hard rock and metal, followed by 90s grunge and that kind of jazz. What are you listening to? Or at least what are you
We're just
cranking
sitting
up
it
when
right now.
comes up on the job site? Got some text 1197.7. Thank you for that. You can also call it Pop Back as well on our radio.
Okay, guys, finally melt. So now we gotta add the eggs. So to crack an egg,
Crackhead.
to crack an egg, you need to bang it against the counter, and then make sure there's no shells and just put your fingers in, like that. Okay. The yolk did. That one looks perfect. Now we're just gonna wait till all of this turns white.
60 for what? The 164, okay, and then the 60 for this one. I only 60. And then the 170 for the other.
That's what I was.
Okay, guys, as you can see, it is starting to turn white.
The soccer culture is just not the same that
This is amazing.
Television. If you make a deal with the devil, there's no turning back. Euphoria, new season, April 12th, only on Crave. Subscribe now at crave.ca.
Are you experiencing these symptoms behind the wheel? Looking at your dashboard a little too often? Turn
Through 2003.
Hey Jill,
Yeah? I saw that during the Hyundai Advantage sales event, you can lease the 2026 Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive from $99 a week?
Yep, with $0 down.
$0 down.
Zero stress too, with Hyundai's 5-year new vehicle limited warranty.
So $0 down, $99 a week, and a 5-year new vehicle limited warranty? That's not a mistake.
Nope, but I wouldn't wait to visit your Hyundai dealer.
On my way. Get a 60-month lease at 4.49%. Conditions apply. Visit HyundaiCanada.com for details.
Experience live music at its best at McAllen's Pub, the new premier show bar in the West Island. Head to MACALLANSpub.ca to discover weekly events, food specials, and more. McAllen's Pub, located on Holmes Boulevard, just east of Sources.
The federal by-election in Terrebonne is on Monday, April 13th. Are you planning to vote?
Check your voter information card to find out where to vote. Polls will be open.
I'm gonna add some seasoning, such as salt and a bit of pepper.
Get up to a $12,000 rebate on the Nero EV. Oh, Air Canada has a worldwide sale.
Nice. Look, the deal on the Azores, hot springs and volcanoes.
Speaking of volcanoes, check out these sale fares for Japan. 4 milliliter
Drop
candles,
some
selected
red
candle
for
soup.
extra.
Now only 92 cents each. Shop rollbacks online or in-store at Walmart.
Reason number 60 to get a Nissan. The envelope, please.
Then the back.
The award for top safety pick by IIHS for the 5th straight year goes to Nissan Rogue.
Nice
On approved credit,
cooked eggs.
details at Nissan. The biggest names in golf. Return
And now you
to the
can enjoy.
most iconic stage.